Okay, I'm at Dreams Natura and I'm entering my room for the first time. This is room 1802. Wow, beautiful, beautiful room. And my guess is we have 2 double beds because I'm here with another agent. So she is getting her complimentary massage right now because we are in the preferred club. So you get a free 25-minute massage. So she is making good use of that, and I'm gonna head down there in just a few minutes. But I should have turned on all the lights here. Hopefully you can see everything. Really pretty. This resort, I don't know, I wanna say it's been open for maybe a year and a half. And then obviously with COVID, it shut down, so it may have been open for 2 months and then they had to shut down because of COVID. Wow, what a spectacular view. Let's go out to the balcony here and take a peek if I can get the doors open. Okay, let's take a peek out here. We have the jacuzzi tub out here, nice little sitting area, and looking out over the water park, which this is pretty incredible. I don't see the zip line. I swear there's a zip line here somewhere. But you have all the water slides, and then over there is the main pool area, and there's actually a wedding. You can see the gazebo area. The wedding just happened and we filmed that, and then the reception is going to be right down there where the lights are. So very pretty. This is a good way to get a peek. You can see how bad the seaweed is over there, but they are doing a good job. They have this barrier trying to keep the seaweed out over here. So they're doing the best they can. And over here is the mangrove. So you can see how it builds up. But again, with this barrier, they're keeping it away. Super fun for the kids. So again, this is the preferred club I'm gonna go with. I haven't looked at the room category. I don't know exactly what I reserved. I know I've been upgraded, but that's definitely an oceanfront. I would say oceanfront junior suite is what this would be. So I'll have to look up the room category, but very nice. Beautiful, beautiful resort. Feels like new. It almost is like new.